What's up guys, Mr. Nature Man back with another video. Last time we killed a biter man who took off his mask, lost the footage for what his face looked like because he was a human. We're gonna be hunting for big wild snakes. These are water snakes, not your normal water snake that just swims in water. No, this is different. This snake inflates itself with water, okay? And it starts flailing around to scare its predators and prey. So we're just gonna go around and we're gonna find one. Well. Alright guys, so we found a natural dump here in the Amazon rainforest. Right over here is the one part of the Amazon that no one's ever been to. You'd think someone's been here because you find chairs and all kinds of human looking stuff, but it's actually nature. Bless you. But it's actually nature that's made all this. And no one really notices how beautiful nature really is until they come to this very nice place. It's great. A very important part of hunting for these water snakes is you gotta come up with their scent. You gotta have their scent. So the natural scent that they know and love and have is cologne. All right, so we're back at the house. We're gonna put on some cologne. All right, guys. So this is my house. This is where I live. This is the crib, as the cool kids like to say. Yeah, down here in Australia, no one really says that kind of stuff, you know. Everything's upside down here. Listen, we had to actually edit the video for you Americans, you know, to actually be able to see everything right set up. Australia. This video is brought to you by kangaroos. Hey guys, I'm the audio guy who holds the boom mic. Mr. Nature Man got the virus. We don't know if he's gonna be dead or what. So the boom guy is gonna be the cameraman, me, and then we're gonna have the deaf audio dude be the snake guy. All right, can't hear anything, so his sense of smell has been more advanced for this job. So we just got the two idiots that help Mr. Nature Man, trying to do Mr. Nature Man's show for him. Let's do this.
Kaden and Hayden go on their journey to find a water snake after Mr. Nature Man catches the coronavirus. They're very stupid and unable to do anything right, but they'll manage, I'm sure of it. Looks like Kaden has just found a snake. Kaden will do his best to try to capture and kill the snake. Kaden and Hayden have to strangle the snake to kill it. As you can see here, Kaden finally strangles the snake and kills it. Once the snake is dead, they have to let out the extra venom and dry up the carcass. Sometimes this process doesn't work, but we're pretty certain it did this time, and the snake should be dead now.
Successful video today. Killed the snake. It's dead. I think we had a good time. I like eating these chips. These are great. Any words that I say, I'm always converting to sign language for Mr. Guy over there. You know, kind of stuff. Oh, thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Did you hear that? Wait, let's go check that out. Did you hear that? What was that? Caden's really starting to smell something, yeah. Oh. Oh my. Dude, it's back. Dude, it's back. What the heck? Oh, I thought it was. Oh shoot! Crap! Crap, it is not dead. You didn't kill it. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh no, it's gonna kill him! It's gonna kill him! Oh! It's pulling him in the water! Oh my gosh. Alright, he's gonna make sure it's actually dead this time. For good. Make sure all the venom comes out. He's gonna shake the body. All the venom's out. Alright. I think it's dead now. Plus, he gave it a few broken bones, wrapping it around the handle here, tying it a few knots, you know, that kind of thing. Yeah, this snake's dead. Oh my gosh. He has to wash all the venom out of his hair before it infects him, gets into his pores, and he really is a hero. What do you think of that?